In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage your trades and build a watch list on TradingView. By the end, you'll have a clean TradingView watch list you created from scratch, with your assets added, logically organized, color-coded for quick trade management, and ready for import if you're on premium. First, create a new list. Move to the top right of TradingView and click the bookmark icon to open the watchlist panel. At the top of that panel, click the current watchlist name to open the menu, then select Create New List. Type a clear name so you can recognize it later and confirm. You'll now see an empty watchlist ready to use. Next, add assets. At the top of the watchlist, click the plus button labeled Add symbol. In the search box, type a ticker or name, then click the correct result to add it to your list. To speed this up, you can press Alt plus W on a PC or Option plus W on a Mac to open the Add symbol box, then continue adding as many tickers as you need. You'll see each symbol appear in your new watch list as you add them. Now, organize your list into sections so it's easy to scan. Right-click anywhere inside the watch list and choose Add Section. Give the section a name that matches how you trade, for example, crypto, forex, or stocks. Repeat. Add section for each category you need. This structure keeps similar assets together, making it faster to find what you want during market hours. From here, color code your tickers with flags to manage your trades at a glance. Apply flags to mark the status of each symbol. For example, set green for entries and blue for watching. Keep your color rules consistent so you instantly know what each color means when you look at the list. This visual system reduces decision time and helps you prioritize the next action on each trade. Finally, use import and export options if you're on a paid plan. Premium users can import CSV or Excel lists via the watchlist menu. If you already maintain a list elsewhere, this saves time by pulling everything into TradingView in one step, instead of adding symbols one by one. At this point, your TradingView watchlist is set up. You've created the list, added your assets, organized them with sections, and applied flags to manage your trades clearly. If you have premium, your symbols can be imported from a CSV or Excel file through the watchlist menu as needed. Your watchlist is now ready and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.